This channel is currently making over $10,000 by simply uploading football videos. Currently, football videos are taking over YouTube, and this is done by football fans that has little or no editing skills using just their phone or laptop. I know that you're probably thinking that uploading football videos on YouTube will either get you copyright strike or won't get you monetized. In this video, first, I will show you how to find football videos, secondly, on how to download football videos, and thirdly, on how to edit football videos to avoid copyright strike. So stick around and watch this video to the end. Importantly, at the end of this video, I will share a pro tip that will help you start earning and making money on YouTube even before monetizing your channel. So without wasting much time, let us get down to business. There are a lot of websites that do provide football matches, but for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be making use of footballia.eu. So like I mentioned earlier, we'll be making use of Footballia. So when you go to the homepage of Footballia, this is how it looks like. So all you need to do is that you come up here and sign up. I've already signed up, so I'm already in this. So if you come here, you will notice that this is the homepage, and you see like some of the matches, some of the games here. You can see some of the most competitive games that have been played here. All right, so if you go back to the top here, you can see competitions. When you click on this competition, you can see all of the competitions: national teams, international football, domestic. And if you want to select the videos in EPL, you just have to come here and you can look at it here. You can see FA Cup, you can see Premier League, you can see Community Shield. I just have to select any of these videos that you want. All right, so for the sake of this video, I think we'll be making use of one of the most competitive match of all time. But if you come down here, you can also see like a special collection. All here we have Maradona's games, all of Maradona's games. We have the Stefano games, we have Cruyff, we have Pele, we have Messi. We have some of the best players in the world that have great football. Some of the greatest matches here. We have like some of the matches here. Like it's all on this website. So, well, for the sake of this video, I think we should make use of World Cup finals. Let's just click on World Cup finals here. And for the sake of this video, we'll be making use of the Argentina versus France World Cup, which I possibly believe that is the greatest football match of all time. I stand to be corrected though. Some people might have like a different opinion. All right, so this is like we'll select this very video, this match. So this is a game, like I said, I believe that this is like the greatest football match of all time. It had all of the action and all of the drama that was needed to be like one of the greatest football matches of all time. So when you're done, but quick one, you have to complete all of your profile. You fill all of the forms in your profile before you'll be able to watch this game. So now that you have filled and completed the profile, what you need to do is now just come here and click play. Now this game has started playing now. Secondly, here's the second challenge that I said I'm going to show you how to do is how to download these videos, because as you can see, there's no download link here, there's no download link anywhere here. So I will show you how to download this video in a minute. So now, like I said, now we need to find the download link. As you can see, there's no download link here anywhere here, so you need to find the download link that will be making you to download. So here's a tip on trick on how to get this download link. What you need to do now is just to right click anywhere here. You just right click here and then click on inspect. All right, just click on inspect. Then what you need to do is just come to this network here. Come to this network. All right, so when you come to this network, then you want to play the video. As you play the video, you notice that there's a file that popped up. So here's this very file. What you need to do is that this is where you're going to get the download link from. All right, so what you need to do is just to click on it. So when you click on it, you will notice that the video opens like in a different section. All right, so you can just come and pause this one. You can just leave it to play. So you can see this 3 dots here waiting for it to play, but you can see this 3 dots here. When you click on these 3 dots here, you're going to see the download button. All right, so what we need to do is now is also click on the download button to download this video. So that's a trick on how to get this download to get the download link, because you won't find any download link on that website. So what you have to do now is to click on download, and then you can see that the video is downloading. Then we're going to wait for it to download. While we're waiting for the video to download, please, if you have come this far, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, because it's going to help this video rank and beat the algorithm. But most importantly, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel for more YouTube tutorials like this. All right, and also comment where you're watching from. in the comment section below. All right, wherever you're watching for, whatever location you're watching from, just comments in the comment section below to help this video rank. And now that our video has downloaded, you come to CapCut and then create a new project file. What we need to do now, just come here and here's our video. So now here's our file. So what we need to do is we need to drag this file into our CapCut. Just drag it right here. I will be using CapCut for the sake of this video. I'll be making use of CapCut because one, it's easier to use. And new users, new people that are just coming into this field and trying to learn video editing, to be very easy for them to use and very easy for them to understand. So for the sake of this video, that's why I'll be making use of CapCut. All right. So now that I've dragged it into CapCut, now here's the third step in this video. This is the third step in this tutorial. Now it's how to edit this video, then get rid of the copyright claims on this video, so that when you upload this video you won't have any copyright strike. So I want to make this clear, this video is strictly for educational purposes only. All right, so use this for educational purposes only. All right, so that's the disclaimer on this video. All right, so what you need to do is that the first thing you need to do is that you just play your video. All right, you can just make it bigger here, then play the video. You can just drag it. Then what you need to do is that, as you can see all of this scores here, the time and everything. So what you need to do is that first you need to do that you need to come and scale this video. All right, you can just come here, then scale this video. The reason why you're scaling this video is because you need to get rid of stuff like that, because these are the things that trigger the copyright claim on YouTube. All right, so when you get rid of things like that, it's very difficult for you to get any copyright issues. So this is like this. That's what you need. The first thing you need to do first. So secondly, what we need to do is that just to come here. What I will advise you to watch the video all through, watch the whole of the video. All right, so but we can't watch the whole of this video here. So what we need to do is that we'll first just go through the video and then just cut out the important parts of the video. All right, so there are some clips that are parts that are more important, like the parts where the goals were scored, so parts where these people did some very important stuff, like maybe probably where the match got messy and all of that. What I mean mess, I don't mean like the player. All right, I just mean like the other stuff there. So that's what we need to do. All right, so we can just go through and just cut off the parts that's which we believe are not too important. All right, so let's say we'll cut this out. We can just push and also cut out this part. And we can just go through all of the video like that, then cut out all of those parts that you feel that are not important. All right, those parts that you just look for the parts that are more important. So, and another thing you need to do is that you add captions to this video. I don't mean like the whole captions, like the whole thing. I understand, like let's say a goal is being scored. You can just come under here and just add the text, and you can just add the default text and just type in here. You can just type in goal. All right, so what we're doing here, you can just change the color. You can change the color to suit this thing. You can also change this thing. You can do all of this just to suit the game, and it just depends on on what you want. All right, I think I like this. Depends on what you want. All right, so when you do all of this, it's like adding value to this video. All right, so it's not like you just downloaded it, then you just smashed it into your editing and just took it to YouTube. It's like you're adding value to the video. So when you add value to the video, YouTube says that, okay, fine, this is not like a direct video that just took and then you posted it on your channel. It seems like there's value added, there's something different on this video. All right, so that's what you need to do. So when you're done, you go through your video. When you're done, and you've gotten all of the parts that you want. Now this video is over 1 hour long, but you can also, when you edit it, you can scale it down to like maybe probably less than 10 minutes. All right, so when you do all of that, and another thing you need to do is that all the parts that you cut, you're going to add transitions to them. All right, I believe most people already know how to add transitions, but for those ones that are just getting started and don't know how to add transitions, let me show how transitions are being added. So these are transitions. You can just come here. Then there are a lot of transitions here. You can just drag this to this very place, then add it here. All right, so the transition will be there. All right, so whenever the clip wants to change, you know that there's a transition that it switches to. So what this does is that this also add part of the stuff that adds value to the video. It adds value to this video, not that it didn't just copy it and then paste it. All right, so when you're done with all of this, you have to do is just to come here and then export your video. When you export your video, then you upload it on video. I'm not going to stress you with the part where you have to go through you create a YouTube channel and all of that. I believe most of you, the viewers here, already know how to create a YouTube channel. If you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, then just search on how to create a YouTube channel and choose a name, choose a very nice name that you want, and then start uploading videos. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you're new here, make it easy to follow this tutorial. So if you watched to this point, please subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I also like this video. This is going to help the algorithm, help this video rank. And then here comes the tip, the pro tip that I promised you guys at the end of the video. For those who watch this video to the end, here's the pro tip that I promised you guys. So now when you create your YouTube channel and start making views and you're not yet monetize, what you need to do is just to start putting in affiliate content, affiliate links in your description. As long as you're putting the views, you can be selling jerseys, you can sell football kits, anything at all. All right, so you start making, as long as you're getting the traffic, you start making your money from this channel even before you monetize. All right, I hope this was very, very insightful. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, also turn on the post notification. If you have any challenges, don't forget to also drop it in the comment section below and I'll attend to you to the best of my knowledge. All right, see you guys in the next video.